up? It's your boy Enigma. But today we're going to the darkest realm of Bakugan. And I really don't like who I got. First all the cards, because they're already done. Oh, sorry. How wrap this wrapped in like in a newspaper. So, your hearts, water flowing water. Let me see. Play after you use about an aqua spell with an aqua spell. Swap by any number of Bakugan. You get cards from your hand from your unused pile to your used pile. And this is called Power Pearl, 0 parts, and the Aqua's 110 Subterra, 50 Chaos, 70 Darkus, and 60 Vengeance. Now let's listen already. It's time to reveal who we are reviewing, or should I say, what we're reviewing. That's right, it's a hand called Bakugan. I reckon here are 2 ones. Let's see who we're looking at first. Let's zoom out. Zoom it out. Ah, looks like I got lucky. Looks like I got lucky. I have Darkest Fortress open first. Is that cool, guys? But yeah, that's awesome. Let's open them up and see what he looks like. First look, Darkest Symbols, side round, of course. Man. Let's do those there's some elements on the side. Weird. No. Oh, here it is. Aquas and okay, let's talk about one. But that's enough about Fortress. Enough about Fortress. Let's pull them up. Hold this back. Hold this in. That's all. Now we open the true darkness, the machine time monster. I give you the V1, the only Hades. So I'll just get those features out. Ta-da! Enhance. Hades, the ripoff of a Hydra. His attacks include Photon Tail, Phaser Trident, which each card, those two moves combined deduct 600 power level, but separate they deduct 300. And then his ability, Singular Cannon, which has 900 true attack powers, and he'll be unable to defend himself for a while. Then there's Full Burst adds 1,000 to his power, and then he has to charge. Fortress got Proton Mars, which gives him an additional 200 points. Photon Rain subtracts 200 from your opponent. And finally, Crossfire for Fortress. 300 extra for Fortress, 300 deducted for each Bakugan. So, looks like we combine a power roll. Here's somewhere. Where's your power? I need someone. Sorry to discuss, but I need to see. That's right. Where's that power level? Weird, I don't see the power level at all. Weird. Oh, here it is underneath the wing. 540. Back with purple. And now we have learned Hades. So that concludes this video. And that's all. Remember, keep your imagination active, your choice to play with. And remember, hug us jokes. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out some more of my videos. Bye.